How to find your user ID on Discord mobile. Welcome back to the channel, and let's get started with this tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch your Discord application on your device. Make sure that it is up to date and you are logged in. Now first and foremost, tap on your user icon and tap on the setting gear option. Scroll down to the very bottom until you see the option of advanced. Select on the option. Now you need to toggle on the developer mode. Once you are done from here, you can head back from here. Now select on the server, tap on the username of the server. From here, select the member. Now tap on the three dot. At the bottom, you will find copy user ID. Just tap on it. And there you have it. You have successfully located the user ID. If you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, check out your phone setting. Scroll down. Select on the option of System Update. Check if your system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of Discord. Then select on the Apps option. Head to All Apps. Tap on the search bar. Search for Discord. Force stop it. Tap on OK. Head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. And that is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.